So this is my 24 F-150 regular cab short box with the 5-liter V8 Corsa Sport single exit exhaust. Give you a start up here, but first I'll show you how I made the sport system work. So Corsa does not offer the sport system for the regular cab 6.5 foot box configuration. They only offer the extreme with this smaller muffler because it has to fit in between two cross members. So I ordered the sport setup with the bigger muffler for a longer wheelbase truck, a crew cab 5.5 foot box, and then what I did is I cut this pipe right before the bend where it goes up and over the axle, and I moved the muffler all the way back to that spot. And then the section of pipe that I cut out, I moved around in front of the muffler to get it back behind the two cross members that are the tricky spot where only the small muffler fits. And then of course the section that I moved up there I shortened due to the wheelbase length being different. So not too much trouble. It worked out pretty well and was pretty easy overall. So I will give you guys the warm start here. It is the truck's warm, but it will probably idle up to like 1300 RPMs when I first start, which is just the same as on a full cold start. The only difference being it's gonna settle down a lot quicker. Probably after 15 seconds or so it'll come down to about 800 RPMs, whereas on a cold start it'll stay at that higher RPM for a minute or a minute and a half. So start it up here and let you hear it.